Today, I'm going to be showing you my productive desk setup for 2021, how I set up everything on my desk to stay as productive as possible. Hey, it's Kelly here, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, I really encourage you to stick around and subscribe by hitting that big red subscribe button down below to join the community if you want to see new productivity and planning tips, tricks and reviews every single week. In today's video, I'm really excited because I've had this on my content calendar for ages and I'm glad I'm finally filming it. This is my productive desk setup for 2021. Now, I have seen a lot of these videos on YouTube and I watched a lot in preparing how I was going to show you guys my desk setup for today. But one thing that I noticed is that everyone's desk setup is pretty intense. Has these huge big monitors, they've got really expensive equipment, they've got this, that and the other, and mine is more of a realistic desk setup, I would say. So other than my laptop and maybe the monitor, everything is relatively inexpensive in my desk setup. It's really just how I position everything on my desk to be as productive as possible that I want to share with you today. Cool, so I think let's just dive in and show you what my desk setup looks like. Okay, so at a glance, when you come into the room, this is what my setup looks like. Now, just to give you a little bit of context, this is a small room, so the desk is kind of pretty much the main thing within this room. So the first thing I have is this really big comfy chair. Now, this I think was actually free. This is one that Ethan was able to get. That I think that they were getting rid of, and it's great. It's so comfy. I don't think it's the best ever for back support, so I do find that if I sit in it for too long, my back can get a little bit sore, so I maybe need to get some kind of support to put on it. If you guys have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, it's a pretty good chair otherwise. I really like it. So I've just brought the brightness down and closed the blinds so that you can actually see in here, because I love to have light coming in. So I have this window right in front of me, which is great, with these little day and night blinds that I can kind of flick between day and night during the day. But yeah, it also does mean it's pretty hard to film because it's very bright. If I'm actually sitting at the desk, this is what's kind of in front of me here. So I think let's start on the left hand side. So on the left hand side here, I have my pen pots. So I've got these two little ones here and here, and I think these were from the range maybe, but I also think you can get them on Amazon and loads of other places. So I've got two of those. I've got loads of colourful pens. I love colourful pens. I love them for bullet journaling. I've also got little bullet journaling pens and loads of colouring pencils and rulers. And then I've got this little London mug. This is one of the Starbucks ones, the We Are Here collection, I think it's called. And in this I've got loads of my bullet journal pens and loads of Sharpies and things that I reach for regularly. The reason I have it here on my left hand side is that's just where I tend to reach for a pen most. Now probably it would make sense to have it over here or over here, just depending on what works for you, but I just love it because I can just very quickly pick up a pen and start writing. So the next thing I have is actually this little mobile phone holder, and this is just from IKEA, and it's actually reversible, so you can kind of put it either way around. But I just use this to hold my phone in, and it's really, really helpful because it means that throughout the day, if I'm working on my computer or something and my phone buzzes, I can just check it really quickly. I can just glance over at it. If it's important, I can then sort of look at my emails and answer something, or I can just ignore it. If you're someone who finds your phone really distracting and actually you find that you keep picking it up and you keep picking it up for things that aren't actually that important, it might not be the best idea to have something like this. I need to kind of have my phone beside me at all times for calls and emails and stuff, so I always have it there, but maybe that might not be the right thing for everyone. The next thing I have here, and I guess kind of the main things on my desk, are my laptops. So this is my MacBook, my personal laptop, but I can switch that out for my work laptop. Say when I finish work and I want to start working on my YouTube channel, I can switch it out for this. And then I have it attached via, I think it was an HDMI, but now it's a USB weird different port thing because it wouldn't work. I've got it connected to this monitor, so I didn't actually pay anything for this. This was one that Ethan had that was an old one, so I didn't actually have to pay anything for this, but it's great because it means I can see everything so much bigger, which is amazing if you're editing videos because it just makes life a lot easier. Also, beside this monitor, I have my wireless mouse. Again, this just makes life a little bit easier than having a wired one. Also got a little coaster here. This one's from Anthropology, and I got it ages ago and I just thought it was really cute. So it's been on my desk for a really long time now. But I love having it on the right hand side of my laptop because it's just easy for me to grab my coffee if I had one. And then I've also got post-it notes here on the right hand side. I just love a post-it note for taking down a quick note, a quick to-do, something like that. So I love to have it here just so I can write something down super quickly. I can grab a pen, I can write something down, easy peasy. I've also got some blue light glasses here. So I am really bad at actually wearing them, but I got some blue light glasses from Key because I wanted to try and help prevent headaches and things like that. I have had headaches in the past with looking at a screen for too long, and I think most of it's just making sure to take regular breaks, but I thought these might help also. And I do notice a difference when I wear them. I'm just really bad at remembering to actually wear them, and I also think they make me look a little bit goofy, so that's probably one of the reasons why I don't wear them. Hello. They're goofy, right? Okay, so then moving over here, this is an L-shaped desk, which again is really nice because you can kind of swivel back and forth between the two. This is where I keep my bullet journal and notebooks and things that I use throughout the day. Now usually at the start of the day I'll kind of open my bullet journal up, write my to-do list and have it kind of sitting here usually so that I can tick things off, see what I need to do really quickly and easily. But I also have extra notebooks and things that sit here. This one is one that I just write extra notes in. I've got my bullet journal there, and then I've also got my iPad because sometimes I need that for extra little bits and bobs. So yeah, it's just really handy to have it there. I can pick up whatever notebook I need, set it here, and have it right beside me as I'm using both of my screens. And then down here I've just got this little lamp. This one is from Homebase, I think it was, and it's just a little touch on and off lamp, which is really handy to have. And then I'll just show you up here on the wall as well, because I think this is quite a nice thing to show you for productivity. So in case you guys haven't seen, I recently did a video of my 2021 vision board. I did it on a slightly smaller board at the time, but I've kind of since transferred it to this wall one so that I can see it a bit easier. So I've got my vision board on the left hand side, I guess, which is really motivating because I can look at it and sort of remember why I'm doing this. And what I'm working for. And then on the right hand side I've just got this calendar. This is a Friends calendar because I love Friends, so that's just great for sort of reference to the dates and stuff. And yeah, I think that is actually pretty much the entire setup. There you have it guys, that was my productive desk setup for 2021. I really hope this has been helpful, maybe inspiring as to giving you some ideas of how you want to set your desk up as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please do make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I will see you all in the next one.